So today I am recording for you the Improvers Solo Cha-Cha routine number 1. This was taught in May 2020 as part of our Improvers Solo course number 1, so course 1, and this was in the routine number 1 out of the number of routines that we did in that course in May 2020. This is just a short summary, it's not a full class, so if you are looking for that, go back to the playlist and look for the Improvers Solo Club Style Cha-Cha course number 1, and that was May 2020. I'm just going to make a start. Let's take a look. Basic first. 1, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, and the 8 and 1 is going to cross over like a Susie Q. 8 and 1. Now the 1 at the end of the Susie Q, having crossed over, is the first count of my New York flare. I am starting it on the 1 with the right foot and pointing out on the 2. The New York flare can be done or starting on the 2 or the 1, either on the left foot on the 2 or the right foot on the 1. That's purely a choice at the time when you're making up your patterns. So this Susie Q becomes 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the New York flare, 2 forwards, 2 back. I'm going to hold on the next count of 1. So this one is now hold on 1. Use my right foot. 2 and 3. Kick, ball, change. Susie Q. Same again. Kick, ball, change. Susie Q. Out. Replace. Kick, ball, change. Extended Susie Q. 6 and 7 and 8 and 1. 1 mambo. 2, 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, 8 and 1. Okay, that's the first 5 bars. Let me do that all again. Basic. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, Susie Q and flare. Boom. And back. Hold count of 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, 8 and 1. So 4 bars of mainly footwork, 1 mambo, and then we did 2 bars which involve some turning practice. So let's look at the first one. This will be bar 6 in the routine, but it's where we've got some turning. So 2, preparation, 3, second preparation, 4 and 5 I'm going to travel round, 4 and 5. Now side basic again, 6, 7, right foot, 8 and 1, which is a little crossing Susie Q. Second bar, I'm going to open the position like a cross body, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There's my 90-degree angle like the man does when he opens the cross body position for the lady. I am, however, going to take a right lunge to the front. 6. I'm going to prep my left foot, turn it to the back. 7. Look at that. I'm turning out, getting ready. I'm looking at the back at the moment. I'm going to do 1 full and a half on the 8 and 1. 8 and 1. Okay, so I'm doing a 1.5 turn. Cross body, open the position. It's a 1.5 left turn. Okay, let's do those 2 bars together. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2. I'm going to dance the whole thing, all bars. And 1, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, hold 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, cha cha cha, 6, 7, now we prep, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, cross body open, cha cha cha. Lunge, prep, turn, 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 and basic. There we go. That was the solo routine number 1, Improvers Club Style Cha-Cha, and you will find the full class on the May 2020 course. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.